You're listening to Samvani.
The deal between Reliance Jio and Facebook Limited. This is a compilation by Rangani Raj, a student of semester 6 at JG Institute of Business Administration. The abstract goes like this. Reliance Jio has made an obvious killing in its 9.99 stake sale to Facebook, pocketing a mind-numbing rupees 43,574 crore. But more importantly, the two entries are now joined at the hip, with the potential to share humongous large customer bases of 400 million of WhatsApp users, 328 million Facebook users, and an estimated 388 million Reliance Jio customers. Considering that, India today has about 450 million smartphone users and about 600 million internet users. The coming together of the Zuckerberg-Ambani combine could redefine more than just the telecom and social media spaces. The main focus of the deal is to come up with the digital-based solutions for 60 million micro, small and medium businesses, 120 million farmers, 30 million small merchants, and millions of small and medium enterprises in the informal sector. In fact, Mukesh Ambani has gone on record to say that, I quote, "In the very near future, JioMart, Jio's digital new commerce platform, and WhatsApp will empower nearly 3 crore small Indian kirana shops to digitally transact with every customer in their neighborhood." Unquote. Facebook had stated that its investment in the India is pro-competitive and will benefit consumers, kirana stores and other small and micro local Indian businesses and takes forward the vision of Digital India. It is the biggest investment in recent years which will help the social media giant expand its reach in India, which is already its biggest market by number of users and accounts. Now let's try to understand what is the deal between Reliance Jio and Facebook. On 22nd April 2020, Facebook said it will invest 43,574 crore rupees, which is $5.7 billion, in Jio platforms for a 9.99% stake in an all-cash deal that will help the retail conglomerate reduce debt and strengthen the social media company's presence in its largest market. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said in a blog post, I quote, "This investment underscores our commitment to India and our excitement for the dramatic transformation that Jio has spurred in the country. The deal is touted to be a bonanza for an exponential number of local grocery stores by giving them access to the world of digital possibilities. However, the massive user base of Facebook and Jio also creates a possibility for them to harvest and use the colossal amount of data that they control for indulging in anti-competitive activities such as data leveraging, price discrimination, entry barriers, and customer propelling. While the acquisition stands approved by the Competition Commission of India, concerns relating to data-driven mergers and acquisitions can seldom be ignored. At the core of our partnership is the commitment that Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, and I share for the all-round digital transformation of India for serving all Indians in the post-corona era. I am confident of India's economic recovery and resurgence in the shortest period of time. This was said by Mukesh Ambani, the chairman and MD of RIL, in the statement. The partnership will surely make an important contribution to this transformation. Now there are several pointers about Facebook Jio platform deal. Let's try to understand 10 of them. 1. The deal values Jio platforms at Rs 4.62 lakh crore that is around $65.95 billion. Pre-money enterprise value agreed at a conversion rate of rupees 70 to a US dollar. 2. Facebook investment will translate into a 9.99% equity stake in Jio Platforms on a fully diluted basis. 3. The deal is likely to give boost to RIL's JioMart project. For instance, with JioMart, Jio's small business initiative, and WhatsApp together, customers will be able to connect with business and ultimately purchase products in a seamless mobile experience. 4. The deal will increase Facebook's penetration in India. In just the past 5 years, more than 560 million people in India have gained access to the internet. Besides, Jio Platforms has a 388 million user base. 5. RIL has been seeking strategic partnerships across its business while targeting to deleverage its balance sheet. RIL could leverage Facebook's technology expertise. This apart, the deal would aid the company in achieving zero debt status by March 2021. 6. Facebook has 400 plus million WhatsApp users in India. The social media platform is seeking to launch a payment app in the country. Having a local partner could help it in navigating various regulatory issues, including those related to privacy and local storage. 7. The synergy between Jio and Facebook will help realize the goal of Digital India. In the post-corona era, I am confident of India's economic recovery and resurgence in the shortest period of time. This was said by Zuckerberg. 8. India is home to some of Facebook's most thriving communities on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Over the years, Facebook has invested in India based on a strong belief in India's entrepreneurial talent and opportunity to help create meaningful impact for Indians and Indian business using their multiple platforms. 9. David Fisher, Chief Revenue Officer at Facebook, and Ajit Mohan, the VP and Managing Director of Facebook India, said, one example of such collaboration could be to bring together JioMart and WhatsApp that has more than 400 million users in India. We can enable people to connect with business, shop, and ultimately purchase products in a seamless mobile experience. This was said by David Fisher as well as Ajit Mohan. 10. This is not the first time Facebook has bought a stake in a company in India. Facebook owns a minority stake in social commerce company Meesho and online education startup Unacademy. So what do we conclude? The deal will positively impact the valuation of Jio's partnership with Facebook in the event it decided to go public. Overall, at a time when the COVID-19 outbreak has thrown the world economy in shambles, this union is a feel-good tiding. This deal is a win-win situation for both the parties. As India is the biggest market with over 400 million users for Facebook WhatsApp messaging service, Jio is the India's #1 telecom brand by user base. And the JioMart is an idea which seeks to connect local retailers with consumers. Reliance can take aid of this popular service to build its marketplace. It has also received easy money to reduce the debt. This deal, especially in these precedented times, speaks volumes about India's potential. This is the largest FDI in the technology sector so far. The deal between Jio and Facebook will help realize Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Digital India mission with its two ambitious goals: ease of living and ease of doing business. for every single category of Indian people without exceptions. In the post-corona era, I am confident of India's economic recovery and resurgence in the shortest period of time. The partnership will surely make an important contribution to this transformation. The companies will work closely to ensure that consumers are able to access the nearest Kirana stores who can provide products and services to their homes by transacting seamlessly with JioMart using WhatsApp.
You're listening to Samvani.